Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace brake pads on your Toyota Highlander. First, gather all your tools, including a jack, lug wrench, and a socket set. You'll also need new brake pads and possibly new rotors, along with some brake cleaner. Always work on a level surface and engage the parking brake to ensure your safety throughout the process. This preparation is key for a smooth and efficient brake job. Once your vehicle is safely supported, you can begin removing the old brake pads. Start by loosening the lug nuts, then jack up the Highlander and remove the wheel completely. Next, locate and remove the two caliper guide bolts. This will allow you to carefully lift the brake caliper off the rotor. With the caliper out of the way, you can easily slide the worn brake pads out of the caliper bracket. Remember to work methodically. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. And while you're tackling those brake pads, remember to stay hydrated. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold and accessible. You can find a link to it, along with other helpful deals, in the description below. Your support helps us create more content. Now let's get back to the video. Now it's time to install your new brake pads. Before placing the new pads, you'll need to compress the caliper piston back into its housing using a C-clamp or a specialized tool. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Carefully insert the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they sit correctly. Then, reattach the caliper, tighten the guide bolts to specification, and reinstall the wheel. Double-check all connections.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.